What are you doing?
Please, can we have a cat?
No way! Don't cry. Here, it's as good as the real thing.
Oh, but it's a toy. Come back when you're real. Dad never gives me what I want. Huh? I'm free from the curse. Is this real? This is everything I wished for. Huh? What is going on? This is the life. Let's play, kitty. So cute. Not on the rug.
Ah! Ouch!
Oops, sorry, Dad.
Quit fooling around. Is that what I think it is?
What do you mean?
What is this?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Is that a tail? Young lady, empty your pockets now.
Oh, no. Fine.
We meet again. Tidy up, will ya?
Yes, Dad. Bye. That was close. Coochie coochie coo. I love you. Whoa, are you allergic? Looks like it. Oh no, your fur is all over the place. I'll have to brush you up. It's gonna be a spa day for you, kitty. Just sit back and relax. And I'll do the rest. That's a lot of fur. Let's make something with it. It's giving Princess Leia. Oh, there you are. Do you like it down here? Hey, that gives me an idea. Let's make a fork. Now that's a pretty pink. Excuse me. Lay it down flat. And there you have it. It's missing something. You're right. I've got it. Don't worry. I'll be back in no time.
What in the world? Ow! That hurt. No, wait. My sweats.
I'm back, kiddo. Now just you wait. I'll make you the comfiest bed in the block. All without spending a cent. Now, I just gotta keep them in here. I know. I can staple it shut. These toys aren't going anywhere. It's so fluffy. Time to decorate. I'll leave some toys out here so you won't get lonely. Wow, this is cozy. Thanks a lot. Where are you going? I want to go out. Do you now? I can make that happen. I'll cut an arch on this side of the fort. Ta-da! You have a door. I'll be back. She's growing up so fast.
Huh? What is she up to now? Honey? Where are you? Hey, what are you doing there?
Hey, Dad, can I borrow this?
What the?
This is perfect. I want to make a surprise for my cat before she gets home. It's a brush and decor, all in one. I'm back. Love what you've done with the place.
Daughter, pizza time.
Did you say pizza? Coming. What a way to cap off my first day as a cat mom. Oh, that reminds me. Here, kitty kitty. What? Did you just pee on the bed? That is nasty. It's gonna be hard to get rid of. Unless these pizza boxes will get me through this. All I gotta do is be a little creative. Well, I'll need to potty train her too. But we'll get to that. Kitty, your throne is waiting for you. What is this contraption? Wow, you're a fast learner. It's instinct, baby. Oh, it still smells. Thanks, Mom. I love it. Ew! I've never been to this part of the house before. Huh, what a weird-looking human. Hey, wake up!
Wow, who's there?
Shh.
Weird dream. Blood?
Oh, I was practicing for a play, see?
Play? Didn't know she's into theater. Finally, some peace and quiet. That pizza really did a number on me.
I gotta be quiet. Yuck, it smells in here. Oh, there it is. Perfect.
That made quite the splash. All right, back to work. Huh? It won't work? What's wrong? Whoa! Oh dear.
Bet he wouldn't notice a thing. Whoa, more toys. Wait, we're using the string for something else. You'll thank me later. It's taking shape. It just needs a few more details. Like this mustache. Let's add some googly eyes and a hat. Now we're ready to party. Who's this guy? I should be the only pet here. Yeah, go, kitty.
Oh, I'm drenched. I should dry myself off. No, bad luck keeps finding me today.
Oh, lucky. I can use this for crafts. I'll lay it down on this cardboard, then do it again and again. Then a couple of more times in different sizes. Beautiful. But wait. Every masterpiece must be enjoyed. Play, my little one? Wow, I can see through this thing. Hey, kitty, catch. Oh, now you've done it. I'm the greatest hunter in the world. I'll have you in my paws. Just you wait. It broke. This gave me an idea. First, I'll lay down all the cutest beads I could find. Then I'll connect them all through this thread. Add some feathers for a little bit of flair. And we're done. Now let's glue it to our fort. Do you like it? I love it. Oh, you're so sweet. Here, kitty.
What's all this mess? Strange.
Dad,
Young lady!
I can explain.
You...
Oh,
Ah,
meow. Oh,
so cute.